Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. We just listed this 2021 255 Yamaha FSH E. The boat only has 14 hours on it, and we just completed service on it. So just like all the current models, this boat has the seat deck treading up here, anchor storage compartment up front, and then two storage compartments on either side, with a large in-floor storage compartment here with a gas shock. Makes it easy to open and close and get to your goods. On this side of the boat, we have a trash receptacle and tackle drawer storage, along with a drawer here for little knickknacks that you might want to keep on the boat. Over here we have a live well with the see-through top and side. It's really nice. You can see your bait swimming. The kids really love it. They sit there and look at the fish all day. Down in here you have the inside of the console. There's the ability to put a head in here, and all the cushions that go along the boat are stowed in here at this time. So a really big compartment for a 25-foot center console. It's kind of strange. Moving up to the helm, we have a full screen 16-inch Simrad, and then the vessel view is over here. All your engine information and the RPMs, miles per hour, gallons per hour, everything that you would need to know as far as the engine is concerned. Up top here we have the antenna for the GPS, a couple cup holders, full glass windshield, so that's nice. And then you also have a hard top with lights up here to keep, you can see good at night when you're using the boat in the evenings. No wake mode, tilt steering wheel, and these are all fly-by-wire with the E series. So the E series gives you electronic steering and then digital shift and throttle. So once you crank the engine, push button start here, cranking the engines is really nice. Flip up and down thigh-rise seat bolsters. The full floor is covered in the sea deck material. And back here we have a seat that flips up. There's a cushion to go on it for the base and the backrest, which gives you access to your two engines. Like I say, 14 hours on the boat, very rarely used. We also have a fresh and raw water wash down over here, and a secondary live well. So this boat, like I say, 2021, the guy barely used it, 14 hours. Give us a call, 912-897-9881, MarineMax Savannah. Thank you.